What's up, guys? Here is my chair for my computer desk, and let me show you this guy. Try to get you down there steadily. Okay, so tried to weld it with the Harbor Freight welder. No good. The welder I found had a spool wire that was copper coated, and it just doesn't heat good. It doesn't heat up the metal and melt in the metal. So the wire is no good. I have to get the steel wire with the flux core. That will penetrate. But for the time being, guys, I need a chair. So heading out to the woods to do a little bit of shopping. But first I gotta move my antenna. So anyway, guys, that gives us a chance to go back into the woods, see what we can find. But I gotta fix my chair for now until I can order a new one. Looks like there's been some people in here, so let's go ahead and shut down. I don't know if there was a chair back here or not. What is this? R.I.P. Rest in peace, Janie and Dave. That's kind of weird, guys, to be out here. See something over here. Not sure what that is. Oh, these freaking weeds. Is that a boogie board? Maybe they dumped somebody's ashes back here. Just don't know. Hey, look at that, guys. Made in China. Huh. So you never know what you're gonna find when you're out here. Somebody was ripping up the trails a little bit here. I'm gonna check a couple spots. I mean, I just need something I could get a couple bolts on that chair, and so I have some room. It's back here, guys. Oh, I should have brought the snips. Yeah, wasn't thinking. Some kind of coffee maker or espresso. Big rock. Got some plastic. I'll just get rid of that plastic. That's quite a bit of wires in here. Looks like it was a Sony. Looks like it was a Sony, guys. Oh no, they didn't. They left it. Look. How stupid. I'll take that copper. There's more copper on the board, but I didn't bring my my snips, but I'll take the copper. What the heck am I caught on? A fence? Yeah. I think there's a chair over here I could use, guys, to fix this problem I'm having. I don't know if it was back here. Somewhere around there, back here. Thought I just heard something over there. It's like a Bigfoot knock, something like that. Some kind of appliance here at one time, but this looks new. I don't know what that looks new. Somebody threw that back here recently. Some beans. Pumpkin. What is this, guys? I don't know. Some cans in there. It's like some kind of pumpkin pie. Some kind of cranberry. So I'm going to grab my copper, guys. I'm just going to head out right through here. I guess when I did the video, somebody decided that they were going to come up here and tear into all these TVs. You know, taking everything. Probably took the aluminum too I talked about. So, yep. I don't see any aluminum, guys, at all. You believe this rock just moved? Yeah, all the aluminum windows are gone, guys. Yep, somebody got them. See, once you do a video, people start copycatting and getting everything you wanted to do for videos. I didn't want to come back in here for a second. I'm going to come back. I'm going to ditch this stuff, guys, right there. I'm just wondering what's in this bag. Just some clothes. I'm going to ditch this stuff somewhere. Let's get what we needed here. The metal grates are gone. Somebody grabbed those. I don't even see chairs, guys. I thought there was a chair over here I wanted to grab so I could fix my chair, but I don't even see that. Steel is freaking cheap. It's not worth getting right now. And they left the TV. They smashed it though. Okay, I see a chair. I don't like seeing carpets rolled up like that. You know, guys, I just figured I'd scrap the woods for you and have a couple of good episodes. Now, there was 2 chairs over here somewhere. I mean, you could get a nail, step on a nail or something, you just don't know. One chair is apparently missing. I gotta take a look at this bracket. You know what I'm saying? Well, this don't look too bad. Of course, I take this off and mount my chair on it, but you know, the brace has to be. The brace really has to match up, you know. That's the problem. That's the problem, you know. It's got to match up with the other one. I don't think that's going to match at all. And I don't really have a metal plate to put on there. I don't even know if this will go down. Well, it does work. It works. This is what I came out here for. Alright guys, I'm going to do this for you guys. Then we're getting out of here. Something I wanted to do. I actually think I did already once before. Was just kick this ball down the mountain. I already did this, guys. Yeah, I see a bunch of stuff down there as well. Here we go, guys. Oh, I gotta use the other foot. I got an ingrown toenail. Nice one. Nice one. Let's see if that finds its way back up here. I can see a trail right down there. I'm just gonna head back, guys. Yeah, guys, I'll come back to this area another day. Fucking Bigfoot area down there. I mean, it costs a lot of money to get rid of your garbage in Pennsylvania, and it's a big problem in this state because everything's so freaking expensive anymore. So people got to dump all their freaking tires. What the heck? Now this must be somebody selling used tires, you know, coming down here. Knocking down trees, you know. Somebody was through here too. This is all tore up in here. Oh, I heard something up at top, guys. I gotta head out of here. Smells like tires. Yeah, that might have happened not too long ago. That looks brass right there. I don't know. No, that looks... I don't know. Plastic. Let's get our stuff and get out of here. You know, I'd like to take the chair so I can fix mine. I'm not sure how the bottom is. If it's big enough, if I could swap out the bottom and the top. I don't know. So I know mine is much wider on the top than this is. It's really short. Somebody coming, guys. So look at that sky, huh? That's crazy. Look at that sky, guys. I threw it all in, guys. I figured maybe I could do something. Somebody dumped it. You know, I just want to get the cord and take a couple parts off it. That's it. Okay, guys, I got a few parts out of the TV. The good parts we need. Okay, so I found the TV, guys. Got a bunch of parts. Look, there's a piece of something back there. Alright, guys. So we got some copper. We got some things. There's somebody up here. We're going to pass them by. Oh, my truck started. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. My truck started. I'm getting out of here, guys. Coming down the hill here. So I've been hearing stuff, guys. Here's a car. There's actually a car right here. So, okay, guys. Here's the stuff we found. Other than the chair, we got this. Somebody left behind out of a TV. Copper, you know, so good amount of copper on there as well. Awesome. So we got two cords. Here's a short cord and a longer cord. Okay, guys, remember this probably. We got this cord, two cords there. Okay, so here's the good part. Grab this off another TV, guys. Now, I'm not sure if this is inside is copper, but I think it is copper, as well as the outside. Okay, a lot of copper up on top as well. More copper here and over here. So we did good with that. We got two of those. Got some aluminum, and there's a few, well, a couple of bits of copper on there as well. I wasn't even looking for copper, guys, so I grabbed this off the big TV. This ring. I think this was from the TV, maybe, I don't know. But I got this off another TV. Right here. So that's just about quite a bit of copper today, guys. Copper. This whole ring is copper. All this stuff we got copper. So not a bad find today. So even though we got all this, whoa. Yeah, so we got all this stuff here, guys. We got all that stuff back over there as well. Not too bad. We got the chair here. Take that out in a little while. So guys, unfortunately, it's not going to work out. It's just too small. As you can see, compared to this one, is much wider from front and back. That is much smaller. So what do you think, guys? Can I take this off of here and put it on this one? Okay guys, here's the chair. Secure. This I'm going to use for later on. It actually bolts right into there. And it leans against the back of the chair just to keep it from leaning back too far. So I might end up using this in the near future. But for now, what I did, guys, was I took the small one of these wheels, these pieces. I took this off. Now what I want to show you first, this is the one I got in the woods, guys. Here's the small chair. What I did was I put some screws. Okay, put screws in here. I banged the old one off and put mine on here. Screw here, put a screw here, 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 and here. So now I could use the thing. And it's good, it's good. So I could sit in there, I could use it again. Not bad for finding stuff out in the woods. I repaired my chair from something I found out in the woods. That's pretty awesome. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I can't believe that. Well, that's crazy.